So, here are the top 5 best smart garage door openers. The 5th product on our list is the Ecairo. Convenience is key to a more enjoyable life, and there's nothing convenient about having to get out of your car after a hard day of work just to open the garage door. That's where the Ecairo Smart Garage Door Opener comes in. This easy-to-install product is universal. Just adding it to an existing garage door will provide you with a practical, time-saving function you didn't even know you needed. This unit can be used on single or multi-stall garages with the ability to add more openers if and when you need to. So no matter how big or small your garage is, you'll always have a way to control every door with just the touch of a button. Once installed, the Ecairo works off a standard 100 to 240 volt output, which should be readily available in most garages. This product then has a high-performance, long-range 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, so no matter where you are on your property, it's possible to open or close the garage as and when you desire. Furthermore, this unit features automatic open and close sensors to give you the ultimate peace of mind. You'll receive a report on whether the function was triggered regardless of the cause, and your garage will never be inadvertently left open for days on end. Additionally, the Ecairo is conveniently compatible with pretty much any device: Android, iPhone, Siri, Alexa, and even smartwatches and standard openers. Finally, since you can share permission seamlessly with multiple people, your entire family can enjoy the newfound convenience of this product. Its pros are: it's straightforward to install, it is compatible with a range of devices, and it can be fitted and synced to multiple garage doors. However, its user guide is outdated and much harder to understand than the video instructions. The Ecairo is an adaptable device that's great for large households with multiple garage doors. Up next, in 4th place, is the Lemoda D-Door. Take a step forward by turning your traditional garage door into a smart one with the Lemoda D-Door. This smart Wi-Fi garage door opener remote is quick to install thanks to its standard power consumption and lightweight build that easily adheres to your garage wall. With this product, even ordinary garage doors can be controlled through things like the eWise Home app, Tuya Smart app, Smart Life app, Alexa, and Google Assistant, and is still fully compatible with most major garage door openers on the market. Furthermore, the convenient voice control feature syncs up to work with Alexa or Google Assistant, so you can feel like you're in a sci-fi film, opening and closing a garage door with nothing but a simple voice command. This makes coming in and out of your property effortless, especially when your hands are full, and even adds a bit more fun to a tedious task for you or the kids. Additionally, with the Lemoda, you can quickly open and close your garage door or simply check your garage door status anytime, anywhere, so long as you have internet access from your smartphone or tablet. This is achieved thanks to the free eWise Home, Tuya Smart, or Smart Life apps. It should be noted that this product only works on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks, as it needs the extended range not found in 5 GHz Wi-Fi setups. Thankfully, most modems use both. This unit will give you timely notifications when the garage door is opened, closed, or unexpectedly left open. It also has an overtime warning. This increases your home security with less effort from yourself. Lastly, you can easily set your own schedule to automatically open or shut your garage door or turn the whole system off when you're not around. Its pros are: it's quick to set up, it has voice command options, and it helps improve your home security with notifications. However, the cons are: there's little room for error while installing the door sensor, and much older doors may require an additional adapter for proper function. The Lemoda D-Door makes coming in and out of your garage easy. It's perfect for anyone looking for a swift home upgrade. Still haven't found a smart garage door opener that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the Refar RSG100. If you've ever left the house in a rush for work or an appointment, and then halfway there realized you may not have shut your garage door, then the Refar RSG100 may be the product for you. Thanks to its technological advancements, this intelligent garage door opener can work seamlessly with your Wi-Fi devices and phone apps to make leaving the house stress-free and easier than ever before. This convenient product links with your Wi-Fi on a 2.4 GHz band frequency and is compatible with the majority of garage door openers that are available on the market today. With the Refar, you can quickly check on your door status and receive it effortlessly through the app. These notifications work to remind you to close the garage door and will update you with any changes. Having to turn around and drive back to check the garage door is now a thing of the past. Moreover, this device is intuitive and straightforward to set up and install, requiring little electrical know-how and few tools. Additionally, it will function through Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa once it's up and running, allowing for convenient hands-free use. What's more, the reliable high-sensitivity sensor on this unit provides a strong connection to ensure that there are never any interference problems from other nearby signal sources. Lastly, if you have any problems, just contact the Refar support team and quote the 1-year warranty, and they'll be glad to help you. Its pros are: it notifies you when the door is open for peace of mind. It's effortless to set up, and it comes with a manufacturer's warranty and highly responsive customer support. However, the screws included for installation are a little short and weak. The Refar RSG100 is an efficient device suited to anyone that regularly forgets if they've closed the garage door. The second product on our list is the Chamberlain MyQ. For those who often receive deliveries from places like Amazon, your package's safety is always a concern. If this sounds like you, then the Chamberlain MyQ may be perfect for you. This product is essentially a wireless hub that allows you to control it from wherever you want. It's fully compatible with all primary brands of garage door openers that are made after 1993, so it's likely you'll not need a whole refit for just some extra convenience. The Chamberlain has a sleek white finish that blends perfectly into any surrounding. No matter your home style, this unit will fit right in. Once it's paired with the MyQ app, you'll get multiple options beyond just the ability to simply open and close your garage door. For Prime members, you can opt in with the MyQ Smart Garage Hub to receive Amazon packages securely. They'll be delivered right inside the garage with no further effort from you. Just link your MyQ account in the Key app and you'll never lose a package or have to go down to the depot again. You can even securely invite up to 3 people to also control your garage with the MyQ Guest feature, great for homes with multiple vehicles, especially when there's the option to monitor, open and close a second garage door with an additional garage door sensor. With the product, you'll feel more secure, never miss a delivery, and have the convenience of an automatic garage door in one cost-effective package. Its pros are: it has an excellent Amazon Key feature. It is sleek, compact, and easy to install. And it's simple to use, even with multiple people. However, its wireless receiver is not particularly sensitive, as it is affected by thick walls. The Chamberlain MyQ provides another step in modern-day convenience. It's perfect for people that receive regular online deliveries while they are out of the house. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top smart garage door opener is the Meros. There are many fancy and complicated gadgets out there claiming to provide convenience while actually just being frustrating to set up and then simply breaking after one use. That's why you need a reliable, helpful product such as this smart garage door opener from Meros. This company is the gold standard when it comes to durability and practicality for everyday use. With this product, there's no monthly fee or subscription, making it an intelligent purchase that also won't break the bank. With this unit, it's easy to check if your garage door is compatible before purchase. Simply go to the Meros website and check if your garage door opener is compatible under the Technical Specification Application Guide tab. Once you're sure this product is for you, follow the simple installation instructions and you're good to go. With this device, you'll now have the choice of making your existing garage door smart. It allows for simple remote and voice control. It's easy to use. Just tapping on the app or speaking to your Alexa or Google Assistant devices will allow you to control the garage door. You can open the door for others when you aren't home and need to receive a package, or just because you're busy and your kids want their bike. With the Meros, it doesn't matter because it's so simple to use. Finally, like other products on this list, the Meros provides some extra peace of mind regarding security thanks to the high sensitivity sensor that monitors the garage door status accurately and notifies you if the door is opened or closed. It even sends a night alert just in case to remind you to keep it shut. Its pros are: it's well made and very reliable. It's easy to install and use. And it has detailed notifications to keep your home safe. However, it may not automatically reconnect should the power go out. The Meros is a durable and useful bit of kit that's recommended for anyone who wants additional convenience and reliability in their lives. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.
Thanks for watching Tech Talk. Don't forget to subscribe and leave comments of what other content you would love to see.